Hey guys, this is Andy again. I just wanted to let you guys know that this is the second part to the video that we just did. This is the second part to converting the units. On page 44, problems number 36 to 40. Okay, so what we're going to do today is do number 40. Number 40, I'm sorry. Number 40, the pesos into euros problem. Okay, so we are going to use the same kind of principles that we learned from the previous video about how to cross off. How to put things on the opposite side of a fraction to get them to cross off and be able to straight cross multiply. Now, just like before, we want to find out first how many pesos a euro is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the number of dollars on top, US dollars on top, over per euro. And in there it tells us 1.30 is what it is. Okay? Now, just like we learned last time, we're going to put this dollar amount on the bottom, that way it crosses off. If you have questions about that, you can go back to the other video I uploaded. It shows a lot about that, but we're just going to assume you know it by now. Put it on this bottom part, so the dollars are going to go down here, and the pesos are going to go up here. It's okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to put the pesos on 1 peso, and we know 1 peso is $0.08. Okay, so now we come over here and we do our conversion. Okay, 130 times 1, I'm sorry, I'll put these points bigger. 1.3 times 1 is 1.3. 1 times 0.08 is 0.08. Okay, we do this and we'll figure out that each euro is about 16.25 pesos. Here I'm going to double check my math real fast, but I think that's what I got last time. 0.30 divided by 0.08 is 16.25. 16.25. So that is how much 1 equals 1 euro. This much pesos. But now that we want to make it 5 euros, all we have to do is we multiply this times 5. And that should get us our answer of 81.25. Again, guys, this is not easy, but it's definitely not the hardest thing in the world. One of the things to make sure you understand is crossing off these dollar amounts. When you do that, when you know how to do that, it'll open up a whole different world. Knowing how to convert things will be able to make it open. We'll be able to make it to where you can get the right answers on your test questions, and not only that, but you can travel. Little side story real fast. My wife and I got married in December, just last December, and we went to Canada, Victoria. When we went to Canada, we found that the gas prices weren't in dollars per gallon. They were in Canadian dollars per liter. And so there in the car, I took out a piece of paper and I wrote down this conversion and figured out how much it was. And it turns out that it wasn't that much more expensive than the gas prices that were in Seattle, where my wife's from. But still, it was just a little bit more expensive. We kind of tend not to want to spend money on that gas, so we didn't fill up there. But when we certainly saw that $1 on that gas sign up there, man, we were ecstatic. We were so happy we found Canada where gas was so cheap. It was $1 a gallon. Are you kidding me? We need to just go over to the border just to go get gas. So, but yeah, this will definitely help you guys in the world. And that's why they're teaching you this in Pathway, and why every single math class offered here at BYUI has some type of unit conversions in the first unit of their studies. So good luck on your tests, and remember to pray and study hard, and you guys will make it through. Thank you for watching.